Your home could feel almost twice as big without moving, renovating, or buying new furniture. If you do not know these 5 storage tricks, you might be wasting the equivalent of an entire extra room right now. Many people over 60 live with crowded closets, blocked walkways, and cluttered surfaces that quietly steal comfort and safety every single day. Up next, we dive into Promise Clear Outcome. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create the feeling of up to double the space using 5 specific storage tweaks. You will see where hidden storage is probably sitting and used in your living room, bedroom, kitchen, and hallway. These ideas are designed for people 50 and over, so they focus on easy access, safety, and low cost, not heavy lifting or complicated builds. Crowded rooms do more than look messy. They can raise stress, increase trip risk, and make even a paid-off home feel uncomfortable. Many seniors tell me they avoid certain rooms because stacks of boxes, chairs used as storage, and overstuffed closets feel overwhelming. Coffee tables covered in magazines, chairs piled with clothes, and hallways narrowed by shoe racks can quietly take several feet of usable space. If you are squeezing sideways past furniture or shuffling around piles, your home may be working against you, not for you. Here's where it gets really important. Your living room might be hiding several square feet of storage right under your nose. Swapping just one regular coffee table for one with deep drawers or a lift top can hold blankets, remotes, books, and even board games that currently live on the floor or sofa. Your bedroom might be losing several feet of space because storage is spread out instead of going up the wall. Installing 2 or 3 simple shelves above the bed or along one wall can replace crowded nightstands and piles on chairs, while keeping your floor clear and safer to walk on at night. Quick question for you: which room in your home feels the most crowded right now? Living room, bedroom, kitchen, or hallway? Take a second and type it in the comments, because noticing this is the first step to getting that space back. Wait, this next part might save you from feeling crowded every single time you cook. Kitchen cabinets often waste 6 to 12 inches of vertical space between shelves, leaving you stacking plates and cups in unstable piles. Simple shelf risers and door-mounted racks can turn one shelf into 2 and move spices, cleaning supplies, or lids off the counter and out of the way. Hallways and entry areas are often the most dangerous space stealers in a home, especially over 60. If shoes, bags, coats, and mail are spilling onto the floor or a chair, you may be losing a clear path and increasing your fall risk. A slim wall-mounted shelf with hooks underneath can replace a bulky table and chair, holding keys, mail, and bags without taking up floor space. Many clients in their 60s and 70s who used these storage shifts reported that their homes felt like they had gained an extra room without adding a single square foot. One couple simply added underbed storage, a lift-top coffee table, and hallway hooks, and suddenly their guest room could actually host guests instead of boxes. If you keep buying more plastic bins without creating real storage zones, you might just be moving clutter from corner to corner. Storing heavy or daily use items too low or too high can make you avoid putting things away, which slowly fills chairs, tables, and floors.